It's the open house. The open house event AUC organizes each year for 2 times in order to guide the students to the programs offered by AUC, the postgraduate programs regarding master's or PhD.
Every year we used to have the open house later in the fall to catch the February 1st deadline. Based on feedback from all graduate programs, we decided to make it earlier this year so that we actually catch the October 15th deadline.
Something that we take pride in. A large part of our graduate student body are students who are not from the AUC community originally, who are products of Egyptian universities and other universities in Africa as well, because we've done a lot of African recruitment and international recruitment lately. I'm very happy with the diversity. I can see a lot of people who come from Egyptian universities. I can see a lot of Africans. I can see international people. I can see people who are interested in definitely various fields as well.
This semester, the number of fellowships have been increased. We have many fellowships, named fellowships, like sponsored from outside funders like Ruichi Sasakawa and Dr. Nabil Al-Arabi, Muhammad bin Abdul Karim Al-Lahdan, and it covers almost the whole programs at AUC.
It was so beneficial that we did a whole session about sponsorship and fellowships and financial aid, so it was the first time to dedicate a whole session for this, and people felt really good about that. They needed the information.
اخترت الجامعة الأمريكية طبعاً لأنه معروف إن هو الجامعة الأمريكية مكان بيأهلك عملياً لأنك تكوني فعلاً qualified في المجال بتاعك.
The reason why I choose to study this university is because the AUC, the environment for studies, whereby it's having a good environment.
The AUC was very professional regarding the doctors, time-wise. That's why I choose the AUC.